Hi you guys, so today we got a lot going on. First I really want to clean out Mochi's cage and I want to give her new bedding and new toys. She really needs it. It's been a while. Also, I'm using my new umbrella lights and I got them kind of like, hello, yes, you guys see this big mess here? This is ridiculous. I got my bin out because I'm going to put Mochi in here until I clean her cage. And we got Luna over there again by the window. Luna, Luna, look in the camera. Say hi. Luna, Luna. There. So yeah, let me know how the lighting is. This is the first time I'm using them. I hope they're okay. The first thing that I was thinking about doing is just remember the little section where my closet is and my kids' closet is and where I have like a little art section. I was thinking about maybe turning that section into a little hamster area room and then bringing some of my art stuff in my bedroom and maybe putting my desk in front of my window and then maybe moving, you know, the cat corner like over there or something. If you don't remember what, yeah, do you guys see that? This is what it looks like right now. I just got the lights kind of all over the place. So the lighting's probably gonna be icky right here right now. But right here, whoa, it's like yellow. There we go. So this is my disgusting mess and I was thinking about cleaning this all up and then turning this whole section into a hamster area. Because I feel like it's been really difficult lately because all my kids kind of sleep in the same area with me. And so it's kind of difficult for me to keep taking Mochi out for playtime. I constantly have to take her out of the cage and then bring her into a different area because all my kids are trying to sleep. I need opinions and I need your advice, so please let me know. And let me know what you guys think, if I should move the hamsters in here and make a nice little area where I can film and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm probably going to set up the camera now and I'm going to probably speed it up for you guys. This is the bedding I'm gonna be using. I got some KT Clean and Cozy in the white and my Carefresh Colorful Creations. So many of you guys thought that this was a tampon. It is not, you guys. It is just a cord with some, it's just a plug-in cord. You guys really made me laugh when I saw those comments. But anyway, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. In the bin cage now, quick. You want to say hi? Hi, sweet baby. As you can see, she's still very sleepy, so let's just hope she's not angry with me. Let's look at some of the damage. You can see some right here in the corner. So she did chew on the wood just a little bit over there, and the same thing over here just a little bit, so it's not too bad. Here we got a little bit of a pee stain, so I'm gonna have to, and I don't think it's bad, like I'm gonna clean this out now real quick with water and vinegar. It down, because as you can see, the dust from the aspen is kind of like all over right here. So I'm gonna wipe this down and clean it up. So she didn't do as much damage. She put a ton, and I mean like a ton of bedding in here. It's not gonna do as much damage to the wood. If you have less bedding in, then obviously it's gonna go seep right into the wood. So I'm gonna clean this up. I don't think that this actually seeped in just because of the amount of bedding I had in. I did buy some contact sheets right here. And these are waterproof. So it's definitely something I suggest if you do have a cage like this. So I'm gonna clean this up, and we'll go ahead and put this contact paper down just in case, because I want to keep this cage, you know, I want to have it for a long time. It's in here right now, you guys. I think she went into her peanut house to take a nap, so there's really not much to see over here. Already screwing it up. I'm probably gonna get a ton of air bubbles. I did it! I did it, you guys! Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's cut a little strip right down there. You guys, I almost cut my finger. It's all good. It's all good, but I almost cut my finger. Please be careful when you do things like this. I am like a child. Ruined this one. Look, here we go. I'm having such big issues with this second one that I am just like done for right now with this contact paper. Let's go ahead and put the bedding in. Feel too confident with having that bridge like that. What I did was I took this bridge right here and I connected it securely through these little holes right here, which worked out really, really nice. So I'm feeling a bit more confident, and this being more stable on her way up to go on top of her platform. Next time I'll probably make a platform a little bit smaller, but this did work out, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna use the little gnomes too, you guys, and kind of put them in places for her. So here's just like an overview of how I put it together. Looks like she's really enjoying her carrot house right now. So this kind of looks like spring or whatnot. So I just went and put the little gnomes in there as well that Hopping Hammy sent me. Again, thank you so much. I love them. I gave her a little sand bath right here because I really want her to try it out. Or even if she uses it as a bathroom or something, that's fine. Just got something fun going on in here. And then underneath I went and put another platform. So I'm really glad that I decided to hook this up. I'm gonna have to get myself a few more of these bridges that can connect here. Her sand bath right now. She didn't really do much in it. but that's okay. Looks like she's really loving the setup. It's always fun, you know, to put new things in for them. It gets them really excited. Also little platforms you can order online that will be able to connect here and screw on, so I might be looking for something like that as well here. I have a humongous mess now in my room. I'm gonna have to clean it up. It's really bad. I got stuff all over the place. You know, if I should move the hamsters into the other room or not. I would really like your guys' opinion on that. She's just like going crazy right now, you guys. I'm so happy. I think she's like wondering what is up there. So maybe I'll like, let me try and get her to go up here. Go on. No, don't go back down. Okay, you guys, with a little help, she is, no, don't chew on those. I might have to take them out if she's going to chew on them. So I guess they were fun for just the video, but I'm gonna have to take them out. What is this up here? This looks like fun. It's like a whole nother world. It's a whole nother world. I probably could put a chew toy up here. Yeah, we're gonna have to take the little gnomies out. I don't want you chewing on them. That wouldn't be safe. Take these out, you guys. But they look cute in the cage while it lasted. I just don't want her to start chewing on them. I'm back. It is a little bit later, about an hour later. And I've been keeping an eye on her. I've just kind of been sitting around here. Me and my kid's been playing a game. And I've just been watching her. I'm not happy with this platform. And I'm just really worried she might fall down or something. I feel like it's way too high. So I'm gonna be taking this out because though it's really, really stable and I'm fine and comfortable with that, I don't know, I just kind of have a bad feeling with it. And so I'm gonna be taking this out and making a smaller one at some point. Sometimes things just don't work out, you know, as planned, and I just don't want anything bad to happen. You know what I mean? Sometimes we can learn from the little mistakes and fix it in the end. So that's what really matters. I'm just going to, I don't know where she's at. I think she's in, I think she went back in there. She played around with it a little bit and it seemed like she enjoyed it, but I'm just worried. I don't know, I'm just worried. Okay, yeah, I just think that I wouldn't have been able to sleep tonight without being completely worried. So, bye-bye platform, and hello little platform. I'm probably going to take out before I go to bed as well because I don't want her to munch on the carrot all night long. I think that would be just way too much carrot for her. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you all in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.